Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks book using the sticker kit Floral bound for the Hobonichi Weeks within the collection called Books Over Flowers. They are available in the shop right now, so go ahead and grab them. So in the planner, I just started with my date cover-ups, followed by this checklist bar that I am placing right up against the date cover-up. This is going to serve as my goals tracker for every day of the week. This planner, the Hobonichi Weeks that I'm using right now, is the pink waffles from the Bow and Tie collection. You can buy it at hobonichi1101.com. I use this planner as my shop planner, so I only write down things that are pertinent to my shop. Here, I'm just putting down the washi strip or side strip up at the top to decorate that area so it doesn't look off from the rest of the decorated page. This plan with me is also a white space plan with me. I don't usually put a lot of stickers in my Hobonichi Weeks so that I can utilize the Tomoe River paper that they use for my fountain pens as well. The sticker paper that we use is cream glossy, and it is also fountain pen friendly for those of you who like to use fountain pens in their planner. So in that corner, I have put down my to-do script sticker, and then I'm going to put down 7 dot stickers right below it. This is going to serve as my major to-dos for every day of the week. As a home-based business, we do a lot of work every day of the week. We do not have a lot of vacation time. That's why I need to utilize my time as best as I can because there are a lot of things to do for our little shop. And I'd like to thank everyone who had supported our flash sale, which happened yesterday. It ended yesterday. It started on Friday. And I'm sorry for those who missed that sale, but don't worry. We do have a massive release and sale at the 3rd week of July for our Christmas in July. I'll tell you more about that later when we have all the details figured out. But watch out for that because I do have a lot of new kits coming out that are in the new format, new Hobonichi Weeks format, using some of the favorite arts from last year around the same time. So this is my page done with my leftovers that I'm going to use as the week goes on for every day. So here I'm just writing down the dates for my date cover-ups. We are planning for the week of the 2nd up until the 8th. And now I've taken my Coiled pen and I'm just going to line the pages according to the line that was already there. I'm just darkening it up, and it will serve to just section off each daily section so it's easier for me to look at. This format is completely new, by the way, and I haven't had this format for very long. I think I started it only 2-3 weeks ago, but I seem to really take to this. Some formats I find it hard to use, but this one is really very productive. So here I'm just showing you what I do for every day. So every day I would write down my goals for the day, and then on the rest of the page I would write down things that had happened in the day or needs to happen or is gonna happen. So here I just wrote down Mondays through Fridays on the dots, and then I've used one of the label stickers to write down something very important, which is to prep the new releases for Friday's New Releases Day. On Friday, we will be releasing the horizontal kits as well as Sticker Joy and the Hobonichi cousins that are going to be in the same art family as the Hobonichi Weeks and Hobonichi A6 releases that happened last week. So I used my favorite deco to denote that it is going to be a massive release on Friday. so that all the formats will come out before Christmas in July. So here I'm also using the labels to put down tasks or events that happen over a period of a few days. So here I wrote down design sticker kits. Drew an arrow going down to the next day because it will take me a few days. And then it leads up to another label which has new releases day written on it with a smiley face. Never forget the smiley face. On that label, I just wrote down that I needed to promote all of the new releases that have come out on Friday, and it's gonna happen over a period of 2 days. So the entire weekend, and under it I'm just writing down specific things that I need to do, such as promote it on our Facebook group paperjoyph, promote it in our Facebook group which is paperjoyph Planning World, and promote it on IG which is paperjoyph. And that is the page done. Make sure to follow me on IG, on Instagram, so that you can see what happened for the rest of the week. So I'm just putting back that ribbon and closing up my planner, and that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to buy our stuff at paperjoyph.com. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!